In this tutorial, I will show you Mixer Brush Tool Part 2 in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So now you can see that here is three values: wet, load and mix. So first of all, I will demonstrate load. Only you can see I am loading 8%. So here is brush, mixer brush, and this is I am loading it. Okay, so you can see that I am painting and no more painting here because load 8% and my paint has been finished. So I cannot able to paint more. If I load more than 8%, so you can see I need to load brush. So this is not okay. So I am clicking this so that each time when I release the mouse, again it loaded the brush. So now I am clicking here. So you can see now my load is 31% and it goes more than before as it is now bigger than the other loading percentages. Okay, so you can see if I enlarge the cursor tool by using right bracket tool, if I now draw, you can see my painting is more bigger than the previous smaller cursor. Okay, so that was the load. If I make now I am making it 100%. Also load value, this is load value, I am make it again 31%. I am adding weighting with it only 5%. Now you can see that weight has also controlled over the loading of the painting. You can see now I have added weighting, watery part. So my brush is went more and more than the previous. So weight has direct impact on the loading on the brush. Okay. So now also you can see here mixing. This is mixing. When you, if I click here, you can see I am loading 100% and this is load solid color only. Okay, so now I am making a solid curves, yes, solid circle, and I am clicking here to change the point, color picker tool, to open color picker tool and makes it green. Again open here and mixing right yellow. So now if I wet 5% and mix 44%, now you can see I am alter and click this and mixing. The brush will be, I am making it smaller in size. This is mixing with the red very well. Also I am again mixing in green. You can see it is mixed with the green. Okay, I want to make it 100% so that you can see here now it is mixing well. If you see weight 0%, then mixing is automatically being 0. Okay, and also flow I have already discussed in the previous tutorial. So I hope you will watch this tutorial, okay, to find out it. So that was for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please comments down below. Also, if you like it, please subscribe my channel. keep editing.